Okay, guys, it's left hand drinking. The Buffalo rule applies.
I'm a lefty.
Hands on head to start. All left hands to drink with. If you drink with your right hand, you're going to have another one as soon as the boat race is over. And I'm going to start it with something I can throw up. This gentleman over here. As soon as this hits the ground, they're going to start. And thereof, Kevin McCullum has smashed it through. Penny Kitsia smashed it. She's had a few of these in the change rooms. Kevin is spilling all over himself. The beard fight is bigger than his head. Kick off with go. Okay. Jacob's following swiftly behind. Peter, smashes it! It's not only is he a master chef judge. Thomas, go. Okay, I'm behind the Western Province boys. Derek Alberts is spilling all over his face. It's shot. Oh, the splash test. Right, so 97. Ian, the lovely redhead from Maria's.
Let's go, boys!
Who knows about to start? Cameron's smash. Cameron's got massive lungs. Cameron has brought them back into the game. Tackles it on again. Unbelievably close. Derek Alberts has got a team of ringers here. Saved by David O'Sullivan at the end. Congratulations, Team A. At least R1,000 will be donated to a charity of your choice. Unlucky Dan's team. Just hang on a second. David, would you like to just tell us what was going through your mind at the end?
I could not lose to Dan Nicol. That was the simple thing. Cannot lose to Dan Nicol. And the beer tasted very, very fine. So it was a good swim.
Excellent. Cameron, just one quick thing. So, you've taken a lot of water into your lungs while you've been swimming, but probably not as quickly as that beer.
Well, I knew Dan was coming after me, so I had to try and give a bit of a head start, but I didn't go to plan, unfortunately. So.
All good. D. Nicol, I'm sorry. I had my trust in you, I had my money on you, and unfortunately I think your middle let you down.
Yeah, not often my middle lets me down, but in that case that did happen. But well done, and I think special for the team of Derek Alberts, because it is Kevin McCullum's 54th birthday, so we didn't want to beat him on his birthday.